Nothing replaces a human connection. And nothing is going to get you farther along than to be able to connect with people. This class is not only going to be about being a TV journalist, though we're going to get into that. That's not what this is about. It's about negotiating, public speaking, body language, shoulders back, head up, eye contact. I cannot think of any line of work that you are not going to benefit by communicating effectively and authentically. You can't fake it. You can't fake the funk, baby. It's about sharing with people how they can be a better communicator. Tell you a secret. Listen. Genuinely take interest in somebody. Look somebody in the eye. When's the last time that someone has done that? This is something my mama used to say. Make your mess your message. Everybody's got something. Cancer, divorce, unemployment. Fill in the blank. That's not the tragedy. It's if you don't take the time to understand, why was that placed in my path? What am I supposed to learn? I remember when I went on national TV with Diane Sawyer by my side. She's holding my hand, and I announce that I have breast cancer. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you're showing a strength, not a weakness. And people see that, and people will thank you for that. Yeah, there are times when I'm still frightened, but why would you let fear keep you from your destiny? You're looking at that next lofty goal, and you're like, oh, how am I going to get there? The secret to getting ahead is getting started. So let's get started. I'm Robin Roberts, and this is my MasterClass.